From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening and happy hump day. I'm student meteorologist Luke Snyder here for your Wednesday evening forecast. Taking a live look at Beaver Stadium, you can see we have relatively overcast conditions, and that's been the trend for much of the day here in University Park. And you can see we have just a few trees right in front of Beaver Stadium, so gorgeous leaves are really kind of showing up on that camera right now. But other than that, we've had some pretty gloomy conditions for much of the day thus far. Looking at the rest of your current conditions, you can see we're sitting at around 54 degrees with a feels like a 54 as well. Dew point sitting at around 37 degrees, some great visibility, and some slight winds coming in from the west-southwest. Looking at temperatures in State College and surrounding areas, the general trend is going to be the mid-50s on average. Some areas are going to be reaching a little bit lower, like over here into the western portion by Johnstown and Clearfield, staying a little bit lower in the lower 50s. As we expand out, you can see over here in the eastern portion of the state, temperatures are going to be creeping into the 60s, with Philadelphia sitting at 65, so sitting into the mid-60s right now. So a wide range of temperatures for much of the state as of right now. Looking at a radar recap, we've had, again, just some cloudy conditions for much of the state thus far. But as we expand out into the rest of the lower 48, you can see we have, again, just those cloudy conditions for much of the northeast region. But we do have this low pressure system associated with these showers that are going to be coming through later on this week. And then you can see that's more of that cyclonic motion is starting to form over the Midwest region right now. Looking at your future weather and temperatures, you can see, again, just some cloudy conditions, a few scattered isolated showers, not much to worry about for later on this evening. And as we continue through overnight into tomorrow, again, those cloudy conditions are going to be returning later on tomorrow. And a few sprinkles of showers are going to be coming through the northwestern portion of the state early tomorrow morning. And as we continue through to the rest of Thursday into the afternoon and more so evening hours is when that brunt force of that system is really going to be expected to hit the western portion of Pennsylvania. As you can see, we have these very distinct bands of rain coming through. And as we continue through overnight into Friday, overnight is really when we're expecting to be seeing a lot of rain in the State College area. So it's be more of a wet start to the morning rather than active showers for your Friday when you're getting ready. And then as you can see, we have a few of those scattered showers kind of along the border of the state, actually. It's not much is really going to be kind of solidified anywhere in Pennsylvania. It's going to be more scattered across the entire state. And taking a bit of a wider look again, you can see Friday afternoon, another second strong, consistent band of showers is coming through the area on the western portion of that state. And as we continue through the second system over here along the eastern coast from the Atlantic, is going to be starting to kind of form in with that second system we have coming in from the west Friday afternoon and into the evening as well. Just a very slight break from the showers in central and kind of eastern Pennsylvania as well. And it's going to continue through, and they're eventually going to merge kind of away from Pennsylvania, more towards the New England area. Overnight into Saturday morning. Saturday morning, just a few spotty showers in the northern portion of Pennsylvania, especially as that system up north kind of swings its way back around, giving the more northern portion of Pennsylvania a bit more of a wet weekend ahead. And then into Saturday evening as well, the separate system is going to be moving through the southern portion of the state, so the south of Pennsylvania will be experiencing their fair share of showers as well. And then heading over into the end of the weekend into Sunday, those showers are expected to be leaving the area, giving some cloudy conditions for Sunday as those begin to clear up into Monday as well. So the beginning of the new work week ahead will be experiencing some partly cloudy conditions, and those are expected to clear into the end of Monday as well. Looking at the rest of tonight, reaching a low of around 42 degrees with decreasing cloud cover and winds being calm as well. And looking at tomorrow, a high of 61 with clouds returning and making way, and some winds picking up right ahead of that storm at around 6 to 10 miles per hour. Looking at your 7-day forecast, you can see we have those showers again moving in Thursday night into Friday and Saturday as well. And by Saturday into Sunday for the weekend, they should be relatively gone precipitation-wise as skies begin clearing into the beginning of the new work week, with temperatures decreasing slightly, potentially breaking into the high 40s for your Sunday high, and then sitting comfortably at around the mid-50s for the beginning of the work week next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Snyder. Have a great night.